Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn that how to fix that your rendering device has been lost Overwatch 2. So first of all you have to right click on your PC and then click on the properties option. You have to just scroll down and now click on the advanced system settings option here. Right after clicking on the advanced system settings you will find such type of the pop-up here. You have to now click on the settings option. After clicking, a new pop-up will be open for you. You have to just click on the advanced option and then click on the change option here. Now you have to just turn off this option here and now click on the custom size option here. Just click it on and after that you have to put here the size as 1 2 and 000. After doing so you have to just put here a new size 30000 and again 0 and then click on the set option and then press OK. Doing so you have to press OK again. After this you have to restart your PC or device and relaunch your game. This time your error will be fixed successfully. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question you can leave a comment below. Give this video thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.